Good morning, everyone. So, now look at this question here. This is Junior Olympiad question. It says solve for x in the equation 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x plus 1 plus 5 to the power of x plus 2 equals 155. Okay, now to solve this question, we are going to apply the laws of indices throughout the equation. Okay, now, first of all, we have 5 to the power of x, have this. Then we have this one, 5 to the power of x plus 1. Remember, a to the power of m plus 1 is the same thing as a to the power of m, or m plus n, times a to the power of what? N. This thing is equal to this, according to the multiplication law of indices. So if you look at this, you see that this thing is something as this. So I can say that 5 to the power of x plus 1 is 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of what? 1. Okay? Now plus the same thing here. I'm going to make it to look like this, which is 5 to the power of x plus times 5 to the power of 2 equals 155. This is it. All right, looking at these terms now, we have three terms here, this, and this. And if you look at it, this is 5 to the power of x, 5 to the power of x, 5 to the power of x. So they are common. So I'm going to use that 5 to the power of x to factorize it. So what I'm going to do now is that I put 5 to the power of x outside. Okay, if I go to this one now, 5 to the power of x times 1 will give me this. So this one is settled. Plus, so if I said 5 to the power of x times this, I will get the same thing here. I have 5 to the power of 1 plus, if I look at this one here, if I say 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2, 5 to the power of what? 2. I'm already set to this one. So everything is complete there. Equals 155. Very good. So we need to look into the bracket now and do the addition there. Remember that here is 1, here is 5. Because anything raised to power 1 is 5, the number. So this is 5, and this is 5 times 5. This one is 25, okay? So now, if I add it together, I'm going to have 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 25 is 31. I'm going to have 31 equals to 155. Okay? So the question is getting interesting. So now what we're going to do now is to divide both sides by the coefficient of this 5 to the power of x, which is 31. Divide both sides by 31. You just say it now. This, we cancel this. I'll have 5 to the power of x. If you cancel this, 155 is a multiple of 31, right? So what I'm going to do now is that if I divide this here, if I divide this, I will have 5. So I will have 5. And 5 is 7 and 5 to the power of 1. Look at it here. The base are the same. I can take the powers. Therefore, x is equal to 1. This is the answer. Hope you understand. Please don't forget to like and share so others will also learn. Bye.